Don't throw away your woven fabric scraps, because this game changer turns them into long lengths of bias binding in a matter of minutes. Start by cutting a square, making sure you're on the straight grain. Cut diagonally from one corner to the other, then flip them to be right sides together and join at 5mm seam allowance. Press your seam allowance open. It's tedious, but it will pay off later. Trim the corners and threads. Now that you have a parallelogram, mark the wrong side of the fabric along the bias at equal intervals. These are 3 cm wide to make 12mm wide double fold bias tape. Trim off any excess at the end. Flip it over and fold it again, but this time offset each end by 1 row. Pin in place so that the markings overlap and meet at the 5mm seam allowance. Once sewn, they should join in a straight line. Carefully cut all the way around the markings, and then press the new seams before taking your 12mm bias tape maker and sending your strip through. My Shirley Sherd dress sewing pattern uses this method, so save this to reference in the future. Wrap your tape around a piece of cardboard or foam to pop into the stash for future you to reach for.